Excel Chef Fede, Chef of Expressions, back with another one. Buffet 2. What are we making today? We're making something easy but nice, right? So we're making a beef salad. So what I have here is my ram steak cut into cubes. I have some peppers, some pepper juice, some onion, some cucumber, some mild sweet jalapeno, and some chopped up tomato, right? So Buffet 2, let's start first by cooking our steak, right? So the important thing on this salad here is the sauce. So we're gonna get to the sauce just now, right? So my pan is hot. Got my oil on the pan. Got my beef. Here that's sizzling. Salt and pepper. Got some salt, I got some pepper. I got my thyme. Some dry thyme. Most of you I say thyme. I don't know why they get thyme. I know it as thyme, but it's Katisa Milis. Okay, so while this is busy grilling here, we're gonna start making our sauce, right? So what you need for your sauce, Buffet 2, I got my mayonnaise. Put some mayonnaise in there. I got my mustard. The most important part of this salad is this, Buffet. Some mustard. I got some mayo. I got some honey, mayo, and mustard, right? Some salt and pepper. Check this. There's some nice color on it. I'm not gonna make it fully cooked. Let me wait in some time. But in here you can even use your parsley. Anything, Buffet, any herb that you want, throw it in here, right? So we're almost done with it. So now I'm taking maybe a spoonful or maybe two spoonfuls of my sauce in the beef, right? Remember the beef is done, Buffet, at this moment, right? I can turn it down. Just toss up my beef, right? You can use the rosemary as well if you want to. So, to plate up Buffet 2, we're gonna take the same sauce, right? We're gonna take the same sauce. Now I put some olive oil. I put some olive oil in the sauce just to make it a bit runny, because now it's thick. It's not like how we're doing the steak, right? So now we're plating it up, right? I'm just gonna do this, right? Take all your ingredients, put them in there. You can add some salt and pepper if you want to your salad, right? Now drizzle your mustard mayo on that like this. You can mix it if you want to mix it, it's fine. Probably the best beef salad you'll ever have in your life. Okay, we're done. Excel Buffet 2. Chef of Expression is out, Bafetu. Enjoy the meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Exe.